Hi everyone, today I'm reviewing the Blueair air purifier. Have used this now for 1.5 years, so I'm doing a long-term review of this product, the pros and cons, including the mobile app. There's a mobile app that I've downloaded. You can be able to access this air purifier via Wi-Fi and from your phone from anywhere. So I'm going to go over into detail regarding that and also some other features. So if you haven't already, press the like button, subscribe for more videos, and comment down below if you have tried the Blueair air purifier. And let me know your thoughts. So as you can see right here, you've got the ability here to have a variety of different functions, right? You can turn it off. There's a night mode where the lights of the air purifier turns off. And then you can see the air quality, right? So it's telling me excellent air quality here, which I don't fully believe, and I'll tell you why, and that's due to what you may hear outside. Yes, that's the airplane, and it comes very, very often, and if I do leave my door open, there's a lot of dust that comes into the carpet and this living room area. So as you can see from the app, it shows us perfect air quality, but you can always check. So let me go ahead and open it up. So there's a little slot right here. You can be able to tell. So this is the slot. You can see right here all the particulates that has captured. So it's great that it has this air filter here. I'm gonna have to clean this out, but there's a secondary air filter right here too that pops up, and as you can see, very, very dusty and very dirty. So that's the beauty of this product here. And then there's a HEPA air filter. So this one takes out some of the particles, but it's not all the particles. The HEPA air filter is right here. So you can pop this latch open and you can see right here, these are the filters. So the air filter itself, let's open it up. It's not too bad. The inside is fairly not that many particulates in it, and there's another opening right here. So try to open it here. Okay, this is this little gap area. Doesn't really do much. Looks like you can put some, well, actually no, this is a sensor area. This one measures the, apologize for the video here, measures the humidity and different items for the unit. So that's what it's for. And you can see here there's a little fan. There is some little dust buildup coming in, not that much, but you can see right here with the filter, even when touching it, it's coming off very bad. So if anybody lives near the airport, make sure to get one of these. It does help out, but I gotta say that you know, there's also some cons where I think the app doesn't really reflect the true state of the HEPA filter. And I'll tell you why, because when I'm looking at this, you can see how dirty it is. And the app, and it's funny because if I pull up the app, look at this, it says right here, filter cover is open. So it has an ability to know if it's open or whatnot, but it when you reset the app or whatnot, it resets the time frame for the filter or whatnot. So in my opinion, that's not really that good because it doesn't measure the full particulates coming in. But overall, it's a very good quality built product. It is quite heavy. It's around 30 pounds or so in lifting. So this know that is not a light product. But from the quality of it is a very good product. And the quality of the air filter is pretty good too. There's a 7400 series filter. These you cannot replace yourself. You're gonna have to purchase it directly from Blueair. And it does cost a pretty penny, but a lot of manufacturers do that nowadays. Anyways, if you do have any questions, feel free to post it below. I'm gonna go ahead and put this filter back after this video, but if you do guys have any questions, feel free to post it below down in the description. Happy to answer it. If you have used another air purifier, let me know as well. Happy to review it here on the channel. Any questions? Please press the like button for YouTube algorithm. It's going to help out the channel, and progress and subscribe for more videos when I do review additional air purifications. Thank you.